Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can create a mockup in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this logo before. If you want to know how you can make this logo, you can check out the previous video that I have posted. And now once your logo is ready, open up your Google Chrome. And now we're going to search for the picture that you can use for your mockup. For that, I'll be using the website that is called unsplash.com. And from here, you can search for mockup. And here you can use these pictures for free for your mockup design. You can select the mockup frame, the mockup background, mockup poster, t-shirts, and many more. Let's select this one. Simply click on download. And now we have this picture. Now let's open it up in the Adobe Illustrator. Now let's put it right in the center of the artboard. And now from here, let's copy our logo by Ctrl C and paste it right here. Just resize your logo and select the location that feels good. This is looking good, but you can also make it more realistic. For that, make sure your logo is on top of this layer, just like that. You can see. Now by selecting this layer, go to your transparency menu, go to your transparency panel. If you can't find this one, go to Windows and click on transparency. And now by selecting this logo, just change the blending mode to overlay. And you can see if I zoom in, and you can see the grains of the bag are also looking inside, and that gives our logo a realistic look. And now let's export this image. For that, you need to go to File, Export, and Save for Web Legacy. Let's reduce our artboard size. Just click on this icon on the artboard tool. And remove the part that you don't need. And now let's export this again. Click on File, Export, and Save for Web. You can choose your image size, and after that just click on Save. And there you go. Now you know how you can create a mockup in Adobe Illustrator. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.